Marhaba. Marhaba means hello. In Beelango's unique Arabic 1 course, you will learn to read and write Arabic. You will quickly learn the alphabet, as well as a rich and useful vocabulary. Arabic 1 is a beginner course suited to all students. By the end of the course, you will be able to read signs, news headlines, and even to say and write sentences about yourself. Each unit contains videos and thorough explanations. The exercises are varied and will steadily ease you into the language. All our exercises involve sound, which will help you pronounce the Arabic words correctly.